Are you over 65 and feeling like something is just a little off, even though you try to live a healthy life? Perhaps you're experiencing a dip in energy, a new ache, or a general sense of not quite being your best self. You're not alone in these feelings. Many vibrant, active individuals in their golden years find themselves facing unexpected challenges. This isn't about a lack of effort or a sudden decline. It's often about subtle, yet significant, health mistakes that can creep in unnoticed. This discussion is specifically for you, whether you're enjoying retirement, still working, or simply embracing this wonderful stage of life. We're going to uncover some hidden pitfalls that can impact your energy, independence, and overall quality of life. Our goal today is to help you identify these common errors and empower you with practical strategies. By understanding these points, you can take proactive steps to truly thrive in your golden years. Let's dive in and learn how to live your healthiest, happiest life. One of the most significant yet often overlooked health mistakes after 65 is neglecting your mental well-being. As we age, the risk of experiencing depression and anxiety can unfortunately increase. This isn't a sign of weakness, but a natural consequence of various life changes. Reasons for this can include the loss of loved ones, changes in social circles, or even the physical wear and tear on the brain. These factors can contribute to feelings of isolation, sadness, or worry that are more profound than typical mood fluctuations. It's crucial to recognize that these are real health issues. The impact of neglected mental health extends far beyond just feeling down. Chronic stress and emotional distress can have a ripple effect on your physical health. They can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. Poor mental health can also severely disrupt your sleep patterns, leading to fatigue and further impacting your mood. Furthermore, chronic stress is linked to an increased risk of heart problems, highlighting the deep connection between mind and body. Ignoring these signs can lead to a downward spiral affecting every aspect of your life. So, what are the solutions to prioritize your mental health? First, actively seek out and engage in activities that bring you joy and reduce stress. This could mean spending quality time with loved ones, nurturing a beloved hobby, or exploring new interests. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, can also be incredibly beneficial. Even simple nature walks can significantly boost your mood and reduce feelings of anxiety. Make these activities a non-negotiable part of your daily or weekly routine. Second, and perhaps most importantly, do not hesitate to seek professional help if you are struggling. There is absolutely no shame in consulting a therapist, counselor, or doctor for mental health support. These professionals can offer strategies, coping mechanisms, or even medication if appropriate. Just as you would see a doctor for a physical ailment, your mental health deserves the same level of care and attention. Reaching out is a sign of strength and a vital step towards reclaiming your well-being. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your physical health. It's about building resilience and fostering a positive outlook, even amidst life's challenges. Engaging in lifelong learning, like taking a class or learning a new skill, can also keep your mind sharp and engaged. This intellectual stimulation can be a powerful antidote to feelings of stagnation or boredom. Volunteering your time and talents can provide a profound sense of purpose and connection. Contributing to your community can boost self-esteem and create new social bonds. These activities combat isolation and foster a sense of belonging. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule is also fundamental for mental health. Aim for consistent bedtimes and wake-up times, even on weekends. A well-rested mind is better equipped to handle stress and maintain emotional balance. Limiting exposure to negative news or stressful social media can also protect your mental space. Be mindful of what you consume, just as you are with your diet. Focus on positive inputs that uplift and inspire you. Finally, remember that mental health is a journey, not a destination. There will be good days and challenging days. The key is to be kind to yourself, recognize when you need support, and actively pursue strategies that promote your inner peace and happiness. Another common mistake many seniors make is overlooking their changing nutritional needs. As we age, our bodies process nutrients differently, and our dietary requirements evolve. Many individuals over 65 inadvertently fall short on essential vitamins and minerals. This isn't always due to poor eating habits, but sometimes a lack of awareness about these specific changes. What worked for your body in your younger years may not be sufficient now. Understanding these shifts is key to maintaining optimal health. For instance, there's an increased requirement for vitamin D and calcium as we age. These two nutrients are absolutely vital for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Adequate intake also plays a crucial role in reducing the risk of falls, which can have severe consequences for seniors. Many older adults don't get enough of these through diet alone, making supplementation a common consideration. Bone health is a cornerstone of independence and mobility. Neglecting it can lead to fragility and a higher risk of fractures. Several factors can contribute to this nutritional shortfall. A decreased appetite is common among seniors, sometimes due to changes in metabolism or medication side effects. This can make it challenging to consume enough calories and nutrients. Additionally, preparing meals can become more difficult due to mobility issues, fatigue, or simply a lack of motivation. These practical barriers often lead to relying on less nutritious, convenient options. It's important to address these challenges proactively. So, what are the solutions for optimizing your nutritional intake? First, focus on a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. This means filling your plate with a colorful array of fruits and vegetables, which provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Include lean proteins like fish, poultry, beans, and lentils to maintain muscle mass and support overall body function. Whole grains, such as oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread, offer sustained energy and fiber for digestive health. Prioritize variety to ensure a broad spectrum of nutrients. Second, consider vitamin D and calcium supplementation, but always consult your doctor first. Your physician can assess your individual needs through blood tests and recommend appropriate dosages. Self-prescribing supplements can be risky, so professional guidance is essential. These supplements can bridge the gap if your dietary intake is insufficient. They are powerful tools for bone health and overall well-being when used correctly. Discuss your diet and any concerns with your healthcare provider. Third, and critically important, prioritize hydration throughout the day. Many seniors do not drink enough water, often due to a reduced sense of thirst or fear of frequent bathroom trips. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, confusion, dizziness, and even more serious issues like kidney problems. Keep water readily accessible and sip on it consistently, even if you don't feel thirsty. Herbal teas, diluted juices, and water-rich fruits and vegetables can also contribute to your fluid intake. Proper hydration supports every bodily function. Consider smaller, more frequent meals if a decreased appetite is an issue. This can make it easier to consume enough nutrients throughout the day. Nutrient-dense snacks like nuts, yogurt, or fruit can also help boost your intake. If meal preparation is a challenge, explore options like meal delivery services or community meal programs. Batch cooking on days you feel more energetic can also provide healthy meals for several days. Don't be afraid to ask for help from family or friends. Pay attention to your protein intake, as muscle loss is a natural part of aging. Adequate protein helps preserve muscle mass and strength. Include a source of protein at every meal to support your body's needs. Finally, be mindful of processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats. These offer little nutritional value and can contribute to inflammation and chronic diseases. Focus on nourishing your body with foods that truly support your health and vitality. The third common health mistake, and perhaps one of the easiest to fall into, is becoming sedentary. As we age, it can be tempting to slow down and reduce physical activity. However, regular physical activity is absolutely essential for maintaining health, independence, and quality of life. The ease of falling into a less active lifestyle can be subtle. Perhaps you've retired, or daily routines have changed, leading to fewer opportunities for movement. This gradual reduction in activity can have profound negative effects on your body and mind. The importance of regular exercise cannot be overstated for seniors. It's not just about staying fit, it's about maintaining your ability to live life on your own terms. Physical activity is a powerful tool for preventing disease and enhancing overall well-being. One of the primary benefits of exercise is maintaining muscle mass. Without regular use, muscles atrophy, leading to weakness and reduced mobility. Exercise helps preserve strength, making everyday tasks easier and safer. Regular physical activity also significantly improves balance. This is crucial for preventing falls, which are a major concern for older adults. Better balance means greater confidence and reduced risk of injury. Exercise is a natural mood booster. It releases endorphins, which have mood-lifting effects, helping to combat feelings of depression and anxiety. Staying active contributes to a more positive outlook on life. Furthermore, consistent physical activity dramatically reduces the risk of numerous chronic diseases. This includes heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and even cognitive decline. Exercise is a powerful preventative medicine. So, what are the exercise recommendations for seniors? The good news is that you don't need to become a marathon runner to reap the benefits. Moderate exercise, consistently performed, makes a huge difference. Activities like brisk walking, gardening, swimming, or dancing are excellent choices. These activities elevate your heart rate and get your blood flowing without putting excessive strain on your body. Find something you genuinely enjoy to make it sustainable. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. This can be broken down into shorter, manageable sessions, such as 30 minutes 5 days a week. Consistency is more important than intensity. Incorporate strength training into your routine at least 2 times a week. This doesn't mean lifting heavy weights, it could involve using resistance bands, light dumbbells, or even your own body weight. Strength training is vital for maintaining muscle mass and bone density. Find activities that you genuinely enjoy to make them a regular and sustainable routine. If exercise feels like a chore, you're less likely to stick with it. Explore different options until you discover what truly motivates you. Consider group exercise classes tailored for seniors, such as water aerobics or chair yoga. These offer the added benefit of social interaction, combating isolation. A supportive community can make exercise more fun and engaging. Listen to your body and start slowly, gradually increasing intensity and duration as you build stamina. Always consult your doctor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have underlying health conditions. They can provide personalized recommendations. Even small bursts of activity throughout the day add up. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, park further away, or do some light stretching during commercial breaks. Every bit of movement contributes to your overall health. Remember, the goal is not to achieve peak athletic performance, but to maintain functionality, independence, and vitality. Regular movement is your key to a longer, healthier, and more enjoyable life. Embrace activity as a fundamental part of your daily routine. We've explored 3 common health mistakes that can subtly undermine your well-being after 65, neglecting your mental health, ignoring your changing nutritional needs, and becoming sedentary. Each of these areas plays a critical role in your overall vitality. The good news is that it is absolutely never too late to make positive changes. You have the power to take control of your health and significantly improve your quality of life. Small, consistent steps can lead to remarkable transformations. We'd love to hear from you. What are your biggest takeaways from today's discussion? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help others on their health journey. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like. It helps us know what content resonates with you. And for more valuable health tips and insights, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Finally, consider sharing this video with friends, family, or anyone you know who could benefit from these important reminders. Together, we can empower more seniors to live their healthiest, happiest lives. Thank you for joining us today.